Hi, everybody. This is Sue. Uh, it is November 12th at about 7:05 p.m. And yesterday was Veterans Day, so I want to thank everyone, all of our veterans, for their service to our country. And in America, November 11th is Veterans Day. We honor everyone who has served the country. I believe in other countries it's called Remembrance Day, and it's strictly for um, to remember World War One. World War One, the treaty for World War One was signed on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month of 1918, and um, that's what remembrance is all about. But here we honor all veterans, no matter where they served or anything else. I offered, my sister is a veteran, and I offered to take her out to eat yesterday, but she didn't want to go. So, okay, fine. But my sister served, she was in the Missouri National Guard, she was in the Army Reserves, and she was a Desert Storm veteran. So, so much for her. And let's see. Oh, I wanted to show you what I'm working on. I am making tote bags for Christmas presents. And this is um, one panel of the first bag. Let's see if I can. Oh, and this over here, I got that out of the dumpster last night. And I mean, it's supposed to, up here at the top, you're supposed to be able, according to the box, you're supposed to be able to put your cell phone up here, but that piece is not there. But the light works very well. I'm very happy with the light. Got it out of the dumpster. The price was right. So on to uh, my uh, project here. This is the first tote bag that I'm making. This is the last side, and when I quilt it, I'm going to go from corner to corner, corner to corner. Then I have my quilter's guide set up at 2 inches from the needle, and so I will go across like this, and then across like this, and it ends up looking like this. Get this turned around here. It will end up looking like this. I don't know if you can see the quilting on there or not. And then the uh, other side, it will be a reversible bag. This is, I don't know if you can tell or not, but this is Christmas ornaments. I believe in England, in the UK, I believe ornaments are called something else. I don't remember what, but it's the decorations that you put on your Christmas tree. So anyway, um, I've already got this um, quilted and ready to put together. And so when I get ready to put it together, and I'm thinking maybe about putting pockets on the outside or on this side, but what I will do is I will cut a 3 inch square off on the bottom. And then when I sew these together, then I will sew the this together, and then that will make it'll actually make, if you cut 3 inches off, it's going to make a 6 inch bottom, because there'll be 3 inches on this side, 3 inches on this side. So it'll make a 6 inch bottom, which is a nice bottom on a tote bag. So I'm going to make them reversible. So if they don't want to carry the Christmas decorations after the Christmas season is over, they can reverse it and carry this side. And I have a lot of fabric, and I'm going to make, I can't remember, I'm going to make 7 or 8 bags. I've got a lot of work to do between now and Christmas to get this done. And if you remember, oh, drat. I did not mean to do that. Now this thing doesn't want to stand up. Okay, I think we finally got it. I didn't go underneath that. If you remember this book, my sister suggested that I donate it to the church. We have in our sanctuary, we have a little table in the back for the kids so they can sit back there and color or read or whatever it is they want to do. There aren't very many children because my congregation is old. All of us are old. I mean, I'm one of the young ones and I'm 74. So anyway, my sister suggested that I donate it to the church, that I put it back on the children's table at the back of the sanctuary, which I like the idea. I hadn't thought of it. I like it. So that's what I'm going to do. And so that way more children will have the opportunity to read this book. And it won't get piled up in their room and lost forever. And so anyway, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish this up, and then I will come back after I've sewn this and quilted it. I'll come back and show you how I'm going to put this together. So, well, thank you for watching. I will, this was going to take a while for me to do, but it's, I plan to make a few videos showing you how to do this, and I hope that you enjoy it and that, you know, this is helpful to you. I don't know that watching me sew this is really going to help you any, and it's not working out too well for me because my sewing machine tends to shake this table, and so I thought I would just show you what I'm going to do and then show you the aftermath. And if that doesn't work, we'll figure something else out. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do with this. And yes, my hair's a mess. I've been, I didn't think to comb it before I started this video, but I don't care. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.